We are starting to dip into some international markets use cases. And this workflow that I'm demoing today is going to remove a product from a market when the product gets tagged with a certain tag. So if you got a bunch of markets and you have a situation where something's on a final sale, something like that, and you have to remove it from a bunch of international markets, here is how you can do that. So the markets are here. So you manage markets, you can see them in there. And this will trigger when a product is updated, check to see if it contains that certain tag. And then it's going to loop over the markets that are available in your store. And it's just going to simply loop over, in this case, all of the markets that are not the US. You could obviously customize that for your needs. And then this is just unpublishing that product from the market. From the publishable, these queries are wild. Publishable, unpublished, the publishable. But you get the idea there. You get a sense of what's happening there. So let's test that out. Let's test her on out. All right. Looks like it ran. So then this sometimes refreshes if you don't even have to refresh the whole page. So you can see that got removed there. So that's it. As always, you can find these on the automation demos section of the site. Here's this particular one, and you can download the workflow right there. Let us know if you need any help setting that up.